Hey beautiful, so I want to show you how you can make any mask that you currently own work even better so you get amazing results. You want to make sure you exfoliate your skin first before you apply any mask. This will get all the dead skin so that the mask will penetrate deeper. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spray your skin. I'm using this. You can use water, whatever you want. Make sure your skin is really moist. And then I'm using a makeup brush and I have the glow mask in this container. So I'm going to apply it all over to my skin. And I'm going to use circular motions to work this into my skin for about a minute, maybe even longer. And then I'm going to let it absorb a little bit. And then I'm going to spray my skin before I let it absorb for a few minutes. And then when it starts to get a little bit dry, I'll spray it again. So this will help you to get better absorption of the mask that you currently own so that you get more hydration, or if it's a clay mask, you'll get deeper penetration of that mask, especially if you keep it a little bit more wet so that you can help to control oil and stuff. Try this, let me know what you think.